do you have a night guard or ortho retainers for after Invisalign or orthodontics like braces and you don't know what to use to clean them? Well, I got you, because Polident has a couple different products that we recommend to our patients. And I don't have one of them, but one of them is the foaming cleanser that comes in a pump bottle, and the other one is the retainer tablet. So they changed their branding. This is the old box, so depending on the pharmacy that you go to, they might have their old boxes still, or they might have the new boxes, but you just want to look for retainers. So that's the most important part, looking for the retainers, because Polident they also sell the tablets for dentures, and you don't want to be using those ones because they're very abrasive, and those are actually going to make it so that bacteria sticks to your retainer, and that's not a good thing. We don't want it to be smelling even worse and adding more bacteria to our mouth. So whether you get the newer box of the retainer tablets or the old, they're the same product, they just changed the box. But otherwise, these are really great because you just have a warm glass of water. You throw your retainers in there, your night guard, whatever you have, and then you want to put in one of these tablets. You leave it for 15 minutes, you come back, you take a soft bristled toothbrush and you give them a good scrub, but rinse them very well before you put them back into your container, or if you're putting them in before you go to bed, just because you don't want to be tasting those, the cleaner. But otherwise, both of these products are very good. Whether you get the retainer tablets or the foaming cleanser, they both work very well. I've used both, and you just want to make sure that you're using them. Depending, if you're currently in Invisalign and you're wearing them 22 hours a day, you want to be cleaning your retainers like at least once a day. If you're only wearing them at nighttime, like if your Invisalign or your braces is done and you're wearing your ortho retainers at nighttime, or if you're wearing your night guard every night, you can get away with cleaning them 2 to 3 days or 2 or 3 times a week. But if you do less than that, it's just going to taste kind of gross when you put it in your mouth. You're going to taste that morning breath smell, and ew, we don't want that. So make sure that you're cleaning them at least 2 times a week. If you're only wearing them at nighttime. But if you're wearing your Invisalign aligners every single day for 22 hours, you want to make sure you're cleaning them at least once a day with the retainer tablets or the foaming cleanser, because believe me, been there, done that. If you don't, they taste disgusting, and we don't want that. You want to keep them nice and clean, help make sure that your mouth stays clean as well because of that, because it's going to add extra bacteria. So take my advice, get the retainer tablets. They are an awesome product, or the foaming cleanser, depending what your pharmacy has. And I hope that this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.